We have had 9 years to solve the problem. In these 9 years, my information
And
is...
what the solution is?
No. In these 9 years, my information is there are 6 cycles of skyrocketing onion prices in the last 9 years. Do we need a lesson in economics now? Do we need to know who the villain is?
Now, Arnav, so far this crisis of onion prices is concerned, it began from February 2013. If we take into account to February 2013, then June, then August, and then October, then particularly after August, the prices of onion started rising. And my humble suggestion is that taking into account the production cycle, the supply, the stock, and the issues which are involved in the determination of the prices of the onion, I am sure that within next 2 to 3 weeks,
no, you need a media outrage. You need media outrage. You need prices to go up by 300% to act. And 1 minute, Mr. Mungekar, it has not started 4 months back. This trend has started, as per my information, in the first 4 months leading in November 2005. Because my data is, and you can correct me on my data is the first bout was in the second year of the UPA rule when onion prices increased to 104%. I said it yesterday.
Arnav, I will
right?
give the data in normal. I will give the data. Okay, normal average was 12 to 15 rupees kg. February 2013, 22 to 25 rupees kg. August 2013, 45 to 50 rupees kg.
I am asking September about 2005.
Real word that September to 6.
What about 2005?
Don't go into the. Don't go in 1947.
Why should I not? No, not 1947. 2005.
No. My point is September 2013 it was 60 and October 23rd 2013 it was 70-80. The question is compared to last year, this year production declined by about 5%, as a result of which the supply declined by 8.5%.
Sir, Arnav, can I come in?
No, 1 minute. You allow me to explain.
So the BJP wants to respond to you.
The question is, there is elementary economic theory that the relationship between production and supply is not proportionate.
Now, I believe we need to rebut.
Now forget about Congress. Let us talk economics.
Sir, this is not time for a lesson in economics.
Congress talking economy, what a joke. Please.
No, it's voting, it's not economy.
But Congress party will be having some economics only. Congress or BJP or Arnav. There is some economics. What we are discussing in politics or sociology. The question is, there is no specific relationship between production and supply. Production has declined by 5%, but arrival declined to the extent of 20 to 40%.
Sir,
this has happened in all
this is I don't know.
Karnataka, Rajasthan.
Sir, I tell you one thing.
I don't know, but that is not mine, Daddy.
Sir, this is all, I'm sorry, what you are trying to do, Mr. Mungekar, is that you are trying to confuse the people. You are trying to tell people that
do not know.
No, you are trying to confuse the people. You are trying to confuse the people, which by the way,
Arnav, you want everybody to speak the way you want to.
No, Mr. you know, Mr. Jitendra, what?
Arnav, can I come in?
Take the line you want to.
1 minute. No. 1 second. Let me deal with Jitendra.
Agricultural produce of this country. You should know the psyche of the cultivator. You should talk about the rainfall. You should talk about the
Mr. Awad, which world are you in?
Talk about the delayed rainfall. You should understand.
Mr. Awad,
which world you are?
Mr. Awad, I am asking you today. I am asking you today. I am challenging you right now. Right now on the news is it true or not? I am asking you a question. You give me a right or yes or no reply. I am asking you, is it true or not that in the last 9 years, you have had 6 cycles of skyrocketing onion prices? Is it true or not? It happened in 2005, 2007, 2011, 2013, and presently up to 323% in September 2013. Is it happened or not? Yes or no?
The climate of this country. The rainfall of this country has been varying in last 3-4 months. It has the relation to the produce, then to the market, to the supply, then to the demand.
You know something.
Into when you make a statement.
Now I'll tell you, Mr. Jitendra Awad, I'll go to the BJP actually. But what you should do is that you should see all the recent studies.
You can always go to the BJP.
You should look at the. Please at least get your facts correct.
You can always go to
at least get your facts correct. In 2010, when onion prices increased, it was found through an investigation. You listen to the facts, Mr. Awad. In 2010, when onion prices prices
telling you the
increased,
fact
it was
that you should
found,
understand the
it was found,
agricultural climate
it was
of the country.
found, Mr. Awad, listen,
the
it was
rainfall
found.
variation, the climatic
Oh,
variation.
please don't blame
Why
the
is
rainfall.
How
problem
long
What
are you
blame?
going to
rubbish.
listen to the rhetorics of the NCP?
Arey, you have to blame
How long
the
are you going
rain
to listen
because
to
the
the
maturity,
rhetorics of NCP?
the shelf life of the
Why
onion
no
is
facts
quite
today?
less. The onion gets.
One
You
second.
have to come into the realities.
The reality is that the
Today,
retailer markup
Arnav,
over the
today,
wholesale
can I bring out
prices
the
is more than
reality or not?
150%. The reality is what Mr.
Arnav,
Awad, you
should I-
don't know. The reality is that people are paying
Arnav,
up to
should I-
100 rupees and they don't need to pay it.
No,
That's
no,
the reality.
Arnav,
The
no,
reality
no,
is
let
that
me
there
come
is
to the
hoarding.
national-
The
very
reality is that there is
very
hoarding.
Confidently, I am telling you a fact that
The
within
reality
10
is that there is
days,
hoarding.
There
And the
will be a
reality is that
crash
hoarding
in the
cannot
onion
happen without
market
political
when you will
patronage.
again talk of people throwing the onions on the road. Take it
Arnav,
from me. That
Please,
in another
please,
10
don't
days,
insult the
the
people
market
anymore.
is going to
Sambit
collapse
Patra is
in
responding.
onions.
Arnav, I'm sorry, we are not having any facts on the show tonight, and I believe we need to take out the facts today. Can I just come in now?
Go ahead.
I think
Arnav,
Arnav, I have made
Arnav,
my
No,
point.
one second,
Arnav,
please.
talking
Listen to
you
the other
now,
side.
because-
Sambit Patra.
I have some
Arnav,
very
one question
sensational
you
things to
ask-
make over
allow
here,
me
some
to ask
sensational
one
points.
question.
Please,
That when
no,
I
no, please,
said that
Sambit
the
Patra is
price-
my
responding.
point, and thereafter the Congress can ask questions.
Sambit Patra, please.
Please,
No.
please, first and foremost, the two very
Arnav,
quick
should I-
and
should I
important
continue? Should I
points. We
continue?
all know that it
When
is
I
not
said-
just
when I
Sonia
said
Gandhi, the mother of Rahul Gandhi, who is crying. All the mothers of this country are crying because of the onion prices. It's an irony that the Congress is not seeing those tears. Now coming to some very quick
that's
factual
irrelevant.
points.
Did
First and
discussion-
foremost,
One
look
minute.
at the contradictory
Look at the
statements
tears
in the
of the
Congress.
Gujarat.
statement.
1 minute.
We have
Let him
one
complete.
Sharad Pawar.
Look at the tears on the eyes
We
of
have the
people of
agriculture
Gujarat.
minister of this country. Please, can you give us some time? We have the agriculture minister
Put
of
him
this
on air.
country who says that, can't you see that the farmers are benefiting out of this? But this is not right. This is fictitious statement made by